where you are watching this right now in what I consider the largest university, the #1 most powerful university. Screw MIT, screw Harvard, so any of those other ones, it doesn't matter. YouTube today is the biggest university, in my opinion, on planet freaking Earth, okay? What's up, YouTube? In this video, what I'm going to be talking about is it still worth it to be a digital marketing expert in 2020? And I got some real facts for you in this one. What I want to do is I want to explain, when a lot of people think of a digital expert or being an expert in the digital space, the assumption that most people are going to go after is you have to be someone that knows how to build a digital specific company. You need to learn how to do funnels or learn how to do ads or websites or whatever. And that is a very wrong perception to have, because when you're an expert in something, whether it's offline business in baking cookies, and you can be an expert in building daycares and take it online, literally any sort of an expert, and doesn't matter what niche, and you now can take that and become an expert in the digital space. And that is what we're here to educate you on. Now, when I say I'm going to give you some real facts, I got 2 real life examples in the last 12 months of 2 different people that we've been able to help at Digital Expert scale to 7 figures. And one of them is on track to do multi-7 figures in their first year once we close out the end of March. They're going to close out about multi-7 figures in their first year of us helping them. The first one that I'm going to be talking to you about is a real estate investment guru. He was a mortgage broker before he came into real estate investment guru. Today he's considered a guru because of the brand that we've built him into. I actually started talking to him initially in November of 2018. So this is going back a little bit before. This is full transparency. So we had this conversation in November of 2018. He was telling me he was a mortgage broker. I kind of jumped on a call. I was like, dude, everybody's a mortgage broker. What are you good at? What is your #1 expertise? And his #1 expertise was that he could help people in the lower socioeconomic realm get into a property so that they could get their first house and build a stable lifestyle. And where most people are turning people down that don't even have $15,000 or $20,000 to be able to sustain themselves, he's figured out how to help them. A, figure out how to clean up their credit. B, how to build a savings account. And C, from there, take that and put it into a property that they can invest in themselves versus paying rent for other people. For some people, they're just kind of been dealt the wrong cards, whatever it is, and I can kind of go down that route in another video. But he took that and he became an expert in that space. He found working with the lower socioeconomic realm, a lot of the real estate gurus are working with people that have hundreds of thousands of dollars. Like Grant Cardone right now is only looking for people that can put $250,000, I think, or something like that, some ridiculous amounts into his investment funds. He went the complete opposite way and he became an expert in that space. Now, when he became an expert in that space, I started asking him more questions. It's like, what are you doing? How are you doing it? Why are you doing it? How is it helping these people? And what results are you getting? And once I got all of those answers out of him, I figured out this guy's an expert in something that more people in today's economy need to know about, need to hear about in the specific country that he lives in. Because there's so many people that are hoping and praying that they can get into a house, buy their first property, live in their first homeowners, have that fulfillment and that desire of wanting to do it. Now you can start talking, now you can start seeing him going from features to benefits to how it's actually helping them, how we can take his knowledge and his expertise and build this massive conglomerate of a business using his expertise. Fast forward, we're now in 2020. This gentleman today does nothing less than $200,000 a month, okay? $200,000 a month in revenue from using that expertise. We first went out there, we mastered the art of getting these clients in from, proving that he can do it through using paid ads, through Facebook ads, etc. And now we're about to launch an expertise course of what he's going to be doing, sharing this knowledge with the masses, okay? So we took his expertise, we figured out an offer, we built him into an expert in the digital space, getting him more clients using the digital realm, Facebook ads, Google ads, YouTube ads, etc. Built that business, now the done for you side of the services of his business, to over multiple 6 figures a month. And now we're transitioning into taking that knowledge and selling it at a mass scale. That is how you find an expertise in someone. I don't care who you are or what you know or what you're doing. Every single one of you have something inside of here that you truly care about, inside of here that you can share with the public and share with the masses to educate them for a better age. Where you are watching this right now in what I consider the largest university, the #1 most powerful university. Screw MIT, screw Harvard, so any of those other ones, it doesn't matter. YouTube today is the biggest university, in my opinion, on planet freaking Earth, okay? You can get more information like you're watching in this current video on how to take your knowledge and monetize it, replace your income, build a lifestyle business, and then take it and build a legacy business from there and move on from it. But you have to be willing to work, okay? So that's real facts #1. Real facts #2. There's another really good client of ours, a digital expert that we've been able to scale to multi-seven figures. His entire background story came from the banking world. He was working for Chase Private Bank in the United States. You know, he was helping with some big accounts, and he understood how to leverage credit, how to fix people's credit, kind of similar to the first case study, but the first case study was more in the real estate world. This is just 100% credit related. He was working with all of these big conglomerates. He realized that he knew how to do this, and I got same exact questions. Why are you doing this? How did you figure this out? What are you doing this for? What are the results are you getting? Can this be done for people like scale if we figure out how to get you more leads? The answers were yes to a lot of them, and went deeper again. Like I said, we went deeper and figured it out. And then we started to realize, hey, you have an expertise of this. Let's figure out an offer. Once again, a service-based offer, because it's a lot easier to figure out a service-based offer, master that, and then flip it on its head and then go share that knowledge with the masses. Because once you do that, you've got proof, you've got the fact that you know you can get leads coming in, the quickest way to get leads coming in, and then you turn that into an information product so you can start educating the masses. So we did exactly that, and today he's one of our most profitable clients for the least amount of ad spend. Funny enough, you know, majority of our ad spend, our clients are spending high 5 figures, multiple 6 figures, some even multiple 7 figures a month with us. He's spending literally somewhere around the $15,000 to $25,000 a month in advertising and making multiple. When I say multiple 6 figures, I mean multiple 6 figures, teaching people an expertise that he learned in a previous job that he had. Absolutely friggin' hated that job that he was working in, and then today has taken that expertise, created a done-for-you company that's now been completely automated, and now sharing that education with the masses. He's now working even with myself, building all this stuff in the United States, but now he's figured out an angle to help international people get the same amount of benefits that you can in the United States. We're working with him one-on-one to use his expertise to get us 0% credit in the United States, because that'd be amazing, because I'd take 0% credit in a heartbeat right now to be able to leverage it. Then you take that, put some money behind it, you know, use your knowledge. If you know how to do 0%, you can learn a lot of things that you can do with the business. Go watch his YouTube channel for that, not mine. But, you know, taking that knowledge and actually turning it into a valuable income. So yes, for all of you watching right now, we are in March of 2020. We're almost done Q1 of 2020. I'm telling you, if you just commit yourself, okay? Commit yourself. Both of these were literally March of last year. I'm not even kidding you. Both of these case studies that I'm giving you were March of last year by the time we took them online and scaled them. And fast forward to today, they're doing multiple 7 figures in companies. One's about to hit 7. He's doing 200K a month, but one's already smashed through 7 figures in the first year of what we've been working with him. If you use what I'm sharing with you on this YouTube channel, because I'm about to dig a lot deeper in some of the videos on how you can increase your revenue, increase your lifestyle, increase your legacy income just by using what's up here, okay? What's up here, caring about the masses and sharing it with the people, I can almost guarantee you that you can turn your life around in a snapshot. You have to be willing to work. You have to be willing to hold yourself accountable, number one, and you have to be willing to put yourself out there to share what you have, because not only are you doing a disservice and a disjustice to yourself, keeping the knowledge that you have inside of you, but you're also doing a disservice and a disjustice to the masses by not sharing it with them and creating an income along the way. Now, for those of you that are wanting to become an expert in this space, do me a favor and comment what your expertise is below. And once you comment what your expertise is below, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pick 2 to 3 lucky winners from the comments of this video in about 2 weeks from now, from the time this video is out, to jump on a call with me, and we're gonna build a specific business model that I'm gonna share with you how you can turn it into a service-based business and then eventually turn it into an info-based business. And what we're doing at Digital Expert, I'm gonna do that for you for free. I'm gonna spend 30 minutes with you on a phone call, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna break this down, and I'm gonna grill you the exact same way that I grill my clients, the exact same way that I grill my students. I'm gonna grill you that exact way. So if you're not willing to do that, do an enter, but do me a favor, if you are, comment below your expertise, and let's turn your knowledge into an income that you can turn your life around with. If you've enjoyed this video, do me a favor, hit that thumbs up. If it's the first time watching this video, please do me a favor and go hit that notification bell and hit the subscribe button, because more videos are coming out. Because like I said, over the last little bit, we've put out a decent amount of content in the first 2 months of 2020, and we figured out what you guys like, and from the messages and stuff that we're getting, I appreciate each and every single one of you. I'm going to be giving you a lot more content, a lot longer content actually. We're planning out some long videos we're going to be sharing with what we're doing at Growers, what we're doing at Digital Expert, what we're doing at Direct Heroes, and how you can use that, turn your life around with some insane case studies. I'm going to be showing you case studies. I'm going to be opening up the books. I'm going to be opening up our ad accounts and all of our companies and giving them to you. This is one, real facts. You can build a digital expert business, and you can be an expert in your space in the digital world in 2020. I look forward to seeing you in the next video.